Have you ever thought about whether you can change writing in Microsoft Word into an image? It turns out you can. Here we do not use screenshot software, nor do we use a camera, but we use the features of Microsoft Word. The method is very easy, friends. Read this tutorial until the end to find out how. First, determine the text that we will convert into an image, then select all the text. After that, right-click with the mouse on the text that was selected earlier. Then select Copy, then place the cursor on a blank page, then go to the Home menu. Then click the down arrow on Paste and select Paste Special. Then a new Paste Special window will appear, then select Picture and select OK. So, automatically the text that we copied earlier will be pasted in the form of an image. How about it, friends? It's easy, right? That's how to change text in Microsoft Word into an image. I hope this tutorial can be useful for all of you.